In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up GoHighLevel email marketing campaigns. First, log into your GoHighLevel account and head over to your Launchpad. This is your main dashboard, where you can access all the tools you need. From here, look for the marketing section in the left-hand menu and click on it. This is where all of your promotion tools live inside GoHighLevel. Once you're in marketing, click on emails. This takes you into the area where you can manage broadcasts, templates, and statistics. At the top, you'll see different tabs. Go ahead and click on campaigns. This is where you'll create and manage your email marketing campaigns. To start a new campaign, click on the Create Campaign button. GoHighLevel will ask you how you want to start. Choose the blank option, which is the default from scratch template. This gives you full control over the layout and content of your email. Next, you'll be asked to pick the type of editor. You'll see three options: the design editor, the code editor, and the plain text editor. For most users, the design editor is the easiest because it's drag and drop. Click on select for the option that best fits your needs. Once you're inside the design editor, look to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a panel with all your elements like text, images, buttons, dividers, and more. These can all be dragged and dropped into your email. To build your email, click on an element, such as a text block, then drag it onto the email template and drop it where you want it to appear. As soon as you place a text element, customization options will appear. Here you can adjust things like background color, padding, font size, and alignment. Take a bit of time to style it so it matches your brand. Then repeat the process with other elements. Click on another element, like an image or a button, and drag it into your layout to build out the rest of your email. At the top of the page, you'll see Untitled Campaign Name. Click the small pen icon next to it to rename your campaign. This name is internal only, so choose something descriptive that makes it easy to recognize later. When you're happy with the layout and content, click on Preview. This lets you see what your email will look like for your recipients before you move forward. It's a good moment to double check your links, spelling, and formatting. Once everything looks good, click on Send or Schedule. This takes you to the sending details. Here, click into the sender name field and enter the name you want your audience to see in their inbox. Then click into the sender email field and add the email address you'll be sending from. Make sure this is a verified and professional looking address, as it affects deliverability and trust. Next, click into the subject line field and type in your subject. Aim for something clear and compelling, since this is what encourages people to open your email. Just below that, you'll see the preview text field. This is the short snippet that appears next to or under the subject line in many inboxes. Add a short, supportive line that complements your subject and gives a bit more context. When all of that is filled out, click on Review and Send. On this final screen, you'll select the contacts or lists you want to receive the campaign and confirm any last settings, like whether you want to send immediately or at a scheduled time. After you've reviewed everything carefully, you're ready to send your GoHighLevel email marketing campaign